Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark through the Viking Battle for Asgard for the RPCS3 Emulator. That's right, today we're testing out the PS3 game once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and as you know, if you've not seen these videos before, I simply test out the RPCS3 emulator on lower end specs just to see if I can get the game running somewhat decently on my system. So right off the bat, I'm having texture issues. Right off the bat, I can tell. Now, you can do a lot of stuff to fix this. I imagine right color buffers or so would probably fix this, but I have no patience to go back and change it. So, let's get on with it. Boy, this is low compared to G.I. Joe. G.I. Joe was much louder.
You saw the wolf again, didn't you, Viking? It stalks you. It smells its own blood.
Crazy.
What you see frightens some, but it is sent from a higher power. Soon the wolf...
Never played Viking Battle for Asgard. Never really heard of this one, to be honest with you. But you find every once in a while, you find these little hidden gems for the PS3, and they're hidden. But I don't really call them gems. Cause they ain't good. Nonetheless, I don't know about this one. Seems fine. Graphically though, definitely some issues here. Now don't quote me on this, cause like I said, you probably can fix this, but I can live with it for right now. Who the hell is Bringsagamen? Who the hell is him?
Gold is a valuable currency.
You've called a name that... Can I run? Damn, I wish I could have sprint. You've called a name I have no idea about. Why would you do this to me? Okay, he's a green dot, so maybe? That's not what I meant to do.
Ah, Scarring. I'd serve you, but I'm out of mead at the moment. Hell's forces have stopped my supplies.
Also, tell me something. What kind of a game starts like this? You put on this game and it immediately puts you into this base and just says, hey, have at it. Like, what game starts like that? It's weird.
Times like these call for a drink.
Like, dude, that's kind of crazy when I think about it, to be honest with you. What kind of game starts like that? Oh, I'm guessing I'm supposed to go here.
Scarring! My heart sank when I heard that you'd fallen to the Harbinger's blade and the Father's fate had also befallen the Son. But look, here you are, as fresh as a young buck. I wish I had your countenance. But with Darkwater already under Legion occupation, these are solemn times indeed. Yet there are so many that still live, holed up in caves, held prisoner by Hell's Legion. All able warriors ready to wield axe and blade. If you wish to aid us, then rebuild our numbers. It is the only way we can stand against Hell's Legion. It's good you spoke to Shaman Asta. She has been communing with the spirits for days, and is less than lucid. I had hoped she may have...
Okay. I don't know what's going on still, but okay. What gate did he open for me? I didn't see what gate he opened. I legitimately didn't see what gate he opened. Was it this gate here that I was... But that looked like a drawbridge type gate. Am I supposed to go back this way? I don't know, man. Everything's confusing. Let me do that.
Scarring, have you seen how...
I don't know, man. It just catches me off guard. Like how the way this... Oh, there it is. To the right of me. Ha! The way it just started randomly like this, you know? Just like, hey, you're in this village now. Deal with it. And like, wait, what? What am I doing? What am I doing in the village? You're in this village now. Deal with it. Oh, look. Immediate... What was this guy just waiting right outside the damn village? Really? How rude. Oh, we got special kills, it seems. Why would he just be waiting? Can I jump? I'm gonna just turn around and walk back this way. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you enjoy seeing these emulated videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. It really helps me out, trying to be the biggest benchmark channel on YouTube. We do RPCS3, Xenia Yuzu, and I do new games on Intel HD graphics. Our old games as well. We try to get them running on an integrated graphics, so some low-end hardware. So if you got a low-end system, you're in the right place. I will show you how to get these games running, man. These games that normally would crush our souls under their magnificent weight. But other than that, oh, where's the enemy? Oh, snap! Well, that's a strong attack. So yeah, I'm just gonna mute myself now and just enjoy the rest of the gameplay, and I'll see you guys next time.
The ley stones allow you to use Asgard's magic to visit places you've been before. Be warned. Hell's Legion is strong here. Their evil taints the very ground they walk upon. I fear that the settlements beyond will already be overrun with more of their numbers.